Criminal organizations have established numerous smuggling routes across the country, particularly in border town. During a routine traffic stop in Laredo on February 12, 2025, Texas Department of Public Safety video shows a suspected smuggler and migrants jumping out of the truck and fleeing the scene.
106, bail out. 3 subjects running north from 83.
All occupants run into the surrounding brush, prompting a lengthy foot pursuit.
Kapitan, here.
Mike, you guys know surrounded there.
Following a multi-agency search, DPS troopers aided by a K-9 successfully apprehended the individuals. The suspected smuggler, a 49-year-old Honduran national with legal permanent status, faces charges for smuggling of persons and has an outstanding warrant for sexual assault from Harris County. The undocumented migrants, reported to be from Guatemala and Mexico, were turned over to Border Patrol for processing.
I think there's more, bro, over there. ¿Cuántos eran? 8.
The incident underscores ongoing efforts to combat human smuggling along the Texas border. More details to follow as the investigation continues.